Hey everyone. I know fear is the flavour of the day, and I know I keep going back to this as an underlying issue, but once again, it's just one of those things that is a real challenge on the planet at the moment, and I just feel like we need to just keep on shimmying this energy of fear out of our bodies. We're not meant to be fearful as human beings. We're meant to feel community and love and growth and happiness and friendship and caretaking, being loved, lovable. We're meant to be here on the planet with our community of humans. We're meant to be here on the planet with our loved ones. We're meant to be here on the planet. So when we have a fear of dying, when we have a fear of death, when we have a fear of big agendas going on, when we have a fear of stuff that we have no control of, that doesn't help. But what we do have control over is what's going on inside of our mind. Our conscious brain wants to be happy. Our conscious brain wants to feel safe. Our conscious brain wants to feel secure. So just a quick little energetic healing. Okay. So I'll probably use some on my body and some on the energetic human, head up here, feet down there. So I'll just sort of intuit what I need to do. So run that central meridian, get it moving. Run that central meridian, move that energy. It feeds that conscious brain. So when it's blocked, we don't have great conscious brain energy. When we're fearful, it shuts it down. So anytime we hold our emotional stress release points, we're going to start calming it down. And breathe or sigh, yawn, burp is what some of my clients do. Some people get full body shivers as they're shifting energy through their bodies. Almost like a little seizure. Okay, so I muscle tested up a couple of flower essences, and the first one that tested up was Mimulus. Mimulus is a bark flower essence, and it's for fear of known things. So right off the bat, 5 drops. So that's like the fear of going to the dentist, the fear of needles, the fear of reactions to certain individuals, the fear of going to work if you're being, fear of bullies, fear of a bad relationship, fear of going home and not knowing how someone's going to be reacting. It's those fears. We know what it is and we can't calm it down. So Mimulus is one of those flower essences that helps that. Okay, checking the amygdala. Okay, so old pain and punishment circuit. Okay, so linking into old feelings of lack of self-realization or self-realization when you realize, well, part of the brain might go, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, I'm not lovable, I'm not loved. Might not be true, but the brain can get to that spot even without a real action going on behind that, because our brain can make things happen. So imagine if you're in a relationship and that's not going on and you start imagining that it is going on, what's going to happen to the relationship? It's not going to thrive and survive, is it? It's going to feel unnurtured and unloved. So the relationship, it will be a self-fulfilling prophecy when we feel unlovable, that the relationship will be doomed. And the second one in there was things being hopeless. So yeah, and I can feel my throat closing up a bit there. Energetically, there's some big stuff. Okay, the next one showing up is deprivation and a lack of harmony. So when we're feeling deprived of something, whether it's love or sex or hugs or whatever that is, respect, like you can't have a relationship without respect. You're never going to feel full. You're never going to feel loved. You're never going to feel at peace with yourself. You're never going to feel in harmony if you're not feeling respected. That's stomach energy. And stomach energy, you know, when you feel sick in the pit of your stomach. So the stomach energy starts in underneath the eyes, travels all the way down through to the big toes. Okay. I choose to release all fears from my energy fields. I choose to release all fears from my energy fields. I choose to release all fears from my energy fields. Okay. Grey spider flower was another one of the flower essences that showed up, and this one is it's for terror. It's for terror that can come through as nightmares. So when we're having those night terrors that wake us up and just make you go, oh my God, what is my subconscious brain doing to me? The reticular activating system, I might pop that in. The reticular activating system, is sitting in with the brain stem, and it is constantly having a look at your day and working out if something new is happening and what the reaction of your nervous system should be. So when we are fearful, your nervous system's going, oh my God, everything's bad. So at the moment, this is acetylcholine being released from the nervous system, and it's creating vigilance. So acetylcholine's like the triple shot of coffee. You've got your noradrenaline, which is one shot, your adrenaline, which is two shots, and your acetylcholine, which is like that triple shot. So it's like that burst of adrenaline. You know, like when you're in a car and you nearly hit something, or you're on a motorbike and you're thinking, are they going to come and get me? And then they start moving and you go, I'm going to get hit. I'll see if there's another RAS circuit. Yeah, okay, so the second circuit is the acetylcholine is actually switching down the serotonin. Serotonin is calming and nurturing for our nervous system. Also, okay, so this time it's serotonin and vigilance. So once again, that vigilance is there because the nervous system doesn't feel calm and nurtured. I raise my vibrations beyond the energies of fear. It is safe for me to release fear. I have the ability to overcome fear. I now release all programs that are creating fear in my being. I move forward from here without fear. I release all fears from my higher self. I release all fears from my inner child. I release all fears from my ego. Yeah, escape, okay. So as soon as I mentioned the ego, escape, submission, freeze show up, our ego is there to protect us. Our ego doesn't want to be hurt. Our ego doesn't want to feel stupid. Our ego doesn't want to know if it's being unloved. How often do you avoid a conversation because you don't want to know the answer? That is your ego trying to protect you. But are you better off being somewhere where you are not respected, not loved, not worthy, and that is eating away at your soul? Or are you better off letting that relationship go, or starting to work on yourself so that you know that you are worthy, you are respected, you are loved, you are lovable? The more work we do on ourselves, the more it changes people around us. The happier you are, the healthier you are, the more energetic and positive you are, the more you will attract like-minded people. And that is a world worth fighting for. That should be our next reset. I replace all fears with positive emotions. I release all fears from my God within. 999, 999, 999. I I release all fears in my mental being. 999, 999, 999. I release all fears from my dimensional realities. Okay, fear, threat, danger. I wish I could do this muscle test. I've got friends who can do this little guy. It's either a lock or an unlock. I can't do that. I'm just doing that. I don't have a one-handed muscle test. But from The Simpsons, this is one hand clapping. So breathe in the love and light. Breathe in health and happiness. Breathe in your knowing that your immune system is protecting you. Breathe in your ability to eat well. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy purified water. Enjoy clean, healthy, organic food. Enjoy friendships and loved ones. Enjoy putting out a positive energy out there to the world. Take care of you and take care of everyone in your immediate world who deserves you. Love you. Have a great day.